related safety requirements from that critical
No,
lifting.
I'm not asking about safety requirement for critical lifting. Just tell me type of
Yes, sir.
critical lifting. Like, for example, you mentioned exceed 40 ton or 75%. So it is also critical lifting.
Yes, yes,
So what else?
I do
We can
consider, sir.
yeah, we can
And
consider
also,
that it is critical lifting.
and also the tandem lifting and lifting on uh, what do you call it? Not visible from the no
Yeah, blind
from
lifting.
the operator.
Hmm.
Yes, the blind lift or the tandem lift. What else? The other one, and then the high load of the the materials that about to lift.
Yeah, okay.
That is, sir.
S- So how many type of rigger we have? Did you work in Aramco
So,
for?
yes, sir. I was exposed with the Saudi Aramco Shell refinery before, and also along with the on the Jubail commercial port, our clients also the same with the clients with the Aramco people also with the Saipem, McDermott, like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's okay. So,
Type, yes,
yeah, tell me.
types
That,
of riggers.
just tell me type of rigger.
Yes, with the rigger one, the rigger two, and the rigger three, sir.
Okay.
The three
What
types
is
of
it?
rigger.
What is the difference between
Mm.
them?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, I'm asking what is the difference
Again,
between
sir.
what is the difference between rigger one, rigger two, and rigger three? How we can distinguish between them?
So, okay, sir. So for the rigger one, they are only with the light lifting. So for about that, it will not exceed for about 1 ton only. As per my experience, sir, then for the rigger two, it should be only from the they can do and assist the lift from 1 ton above up to I forget about 20 tons, I think. Then for the rigger three, then they are the one who can lead the lifting execution. Then also they are the one who can also provide the lifting plan.
Okay. Who will prepare lifting plan?
Uh, The lifting plan also can prepare by the with the rigger three.
Okay, lifting plan prepared by rigger three. Okay, what are the information mentioned on lifting plan?
From the lifting plan, sir, that includes the types of load, types of material, how many tons it will they will be lift, or the type of crane, the access, or the position, the crane, all the essential details that is stated on the lifting plan. Then also stated it also include the details of the riggers, like the competent person that will operate the equipment like that, sir. Then also the ranges are also the swing ranges of the load like that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next question related lifting. So, what is the safety requirement for lifting activity?
Yes, sir. Of course, first you need to ensure the lifting permit along with the GSA, with with the lifting plan,
Hmm.
and with the people must be confident to do the task. And also the crane must be third party certified, and also along with the lifting tackles and the lifting gears also they must be uh, third party certified also. Then must provided with the um, barricades. The area should be isolated. The taglines for the load for to control to easily control the load, and also the checklist. Also, they say the safety checklist of the crane must
Hmm.
be also available to check all the parts that must be present, and it should be on a safe condition prior to operate the prior to execute the lifting activity. Is that okay, sir?
Yeah, it's okay. So, do you know crane safety device? And what is crane safety device?
Yes, included the load moment indicator from the cabin, the anemometer from the top, then the what they call this, the anti-two blocks, then also along with the load limit indicator. That's it, sir.
LMI, okay. Yeah, it's
So,
okay.
yes,
Hmm.
sir. The LMI, the load moment indicator, and the LLI, the load limit indicator. That's different from that. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
See,
let's move to the another topic, excavation.
yes, sir.
So, what do you know
Yes, sir.
about excavation?
Excavation is the some part of the ground that excavate and remove the soil, and um, that can be also by use by the equipment like that. By means of use of equipment, they excavate some parts of the projects or the land or the area of the ground.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, this same question. What is the safety requirement for excavation activity? So, I mean,
Yes.
like, if you want to start excavations, what are the things you will check, make sure, and how you will start?
Yes, sir. Of course, sir. Along with with the permit also,
Hmm.
the permit excavation work permit. Then you should also know the ground structure because there's a different type of soil or ground. No, so you must study first. No, so like for example, you must know like if this one is stable rock or type A or type B or type C of rock that should be that need some slope or some protection like that. Then also you need some put some barricade for that, and so prior to do that task also to work should be secure with barricades, so to ensure that no one will be pulled from that from the excavation. Then same thing with with the securing with the person who will work the excavation work. It should be confident, and also the equipment they will use also must be in safe in good work condition along with the third party certificate. Is that there?
Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
how many type of soil?
The, here in Saudi Arabia, I think that's four because
Okay, what
the
are they?
the solid rock, the one is stable that can be on a 90 degrees like that. Then the type A, then the type B, and the type C.
So, can you tell me the
Uh,
sloping angle for each type of soil?
for the type A, for the solid and stable rock, sir, it should be it can make at least 90 degrees for the sloping. Then for the type A, it was 3/4 by 1 like that for the sloping. Then for the type B, it will be 1:1 like that, 1 meter, then 1 meter slope.
Uh,
Then for
Sorry,
the
what did
type
you
C
say?
of soil, it should be
For five B?
yeah, that's it. The yeah, the type B is 1:1 like this. That 1:1 ratio for the sloping. Then for the type C, I'm sorry, sir, I forget the for the type C. It was, I think,
Yeah, it's
was
okay.
that one. I just forget, but I can recall that once I again resign on site. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, it's no problem.
Sir, thank you, sir.
So, okay, tell me the excavation hazard. What do you think? Which hazard is main hazard you can consider? What is the main excavation
The
hazard?
number one, sir, is the falling up the person from the ground, from the excavated area.
Okay.
That's the number one. Falling a person, falling up some what they call that one, the animals that from the surrounding, and then also some equipment also maybe fall from that. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about underground utility? Do you think it is a hazard?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The one I told you, the first, told you, we need to ensure first the permit to work, then the ground is structured. So whatever on the whatever thing that has on the ground structure, or like they had some underground utility that can be or it cannot be removed by the equipment, or cannot be touched by anything like pipelines, wires like that, should be also hazard from that.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will give you one scenario that, for example, assume
Okay,
that
sir.
we have to do 5 meter excavation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we check everything that there is nothing. Okay. There is no underground utility. But
Yes, sir.
after 3 meter, unfortunately, you find a uh, underground utility like pipe or cable, anything. So as a safety officer, in this situation, what you will do?
First thing, sir, I will immediately temporary stop the excavation operation, because if we damage or touch anything from that underground utility, there should be a big trouble from us, from the company. So it should be temporary stop, then report whatever we found on the from the during the excavation, sir.
Yeah, it's good. So
Yes,
first
sir.
you will stop, and
Yes, sir.
then you will notify the concerned department.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The supervisor.
So for
Yes,
example,
sir.
again, you if you want to do excavation, so how you will excavate with mechanical excavation or manual?
So that's it depends, sir, from the situation. If it's stated from the ground structure analysis or with the permit that there has a ground underground utility, it should be manually excavated, sir. But if there's nothing on the ground, like they can do proceed from the excavation. So it will be also some. They will add some precautions, so maybe so that they will not be surprised from that or anything that they.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, good answer. Okay. Excavation, it's okay. Okay, move to the next topic. Like, uh, okay, we discussed about lifting, excavations. Okay, let's talk about confined space. So, just briefly, give me some. What do you know about confined space? Just give me some example. I will ask then for that question. Okay. I think you are on mute. I cannot hear you.
That's it.
Yeah.
Here, sir.
Yeah.
You can hear
Okay.
me now? Okay,
Yes, I
sir.
can hear you.
Okay, sir. So for the with the confined space, that is the if you say that's confined space, there's some space that has a limited access, or like tanks, vessels, boilers, like that, pipes. So, so my previous work before, we do enter some pipes, like we do cleaning, hydrojetting, like that. No, so from the precautions, sir. Okay, I will tell you later if you
Yeah, no problem.
let me yes. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. What is the safety requirement to enter a confined space?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Before entering the the confined space, you should be also must ensure the work permit for that, and then prior to that, we also check the the atmospheric condition, such as like with the toxic fumes, gases, or the temperature inside. Then I should assign someone outside the standby man, or the whole watcher, along with the with the attendants for the entrance. Then also the people must work inside. They should be competent person also, or the confined space entrant trained to work inside the and what else? Mm, mm, they are trained. Mm, they should has some
Okay.
enough some
Mhm.
blowers or exhaust like that. Mm. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me the
Yes, sir.
documents that you will check? What are the documents you will check?
For the
Confined
fine. Should be the sir, the permit. Yes, first,
Okay.
then the attendance for the entrance. Then
Okay.
after that,
Permit.
the yes, the the oxygen level that should be instated from the permit, or if there has any the oxygen test should be also stated from the permit. And what else? The people that should work on inside the confined space, they should be also well competent person. There are some certificate that they are well trained to work inside the confined space.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you know about confined space entry plan, rescue plan, isolation plan,
Yes. About
blind
the emergency
list,
plan, yes.
ventilation?
Mm. Yes, ventilation also. That
Mhm.
that should be also included before prior to entry the confined space area.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
It's
Mm.
okay. So, do you know about isolation? How many type of isolation?
The isolations are no from the that was from the from the client side. So they are the one who isolate the areas that we will work with, like the isolation from the pipelines like that, isolations the area, the areas that, they will or they will perform the task. That's it, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, tell me what is the safety requirement for a hot work activity?
Yes, sir. For the network activity, should has also the permit to work prior to do the task. Then also competent person as well. They were trained a skilled worker, like they can do the welding and some grinding jobs. Then um, they must provide also some what the emergency plans, like uh, they provide some fire extinguishers, fire watchman, and what else? The one fireproof or fire blankets, and then must be isolated the area they will conduct with the hard work activity. Then to control control these sparks. What else? Should be people, confident people. Then
Okay. Yeah, okay. Next question.
they should be inspected. All the tools should be in good condition like that. Yes, sir.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. So,
Yes, sir.
so for hot work, we use power tools, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how will you inspect power tools?
With the proper tools, there should be a monthly color coding must be attached from that by the use of the checklist that it should be present also inside, that it
Hmm.
should be no damage, that's a complete or defense with with the power tools. It should be complete with the guardings and there's no any damage from the wires, or then there has the deadman switch from the from the from the attach on the from the body of the tools. That's it, sir.
Okay.
And
So,
everything, sir. That's also mentioned with the with the inspection checklist of the power tools. Yes, sir.
okay. Yeah, it's okay. So, as a safety officer, how you handle your work site, like how you develop safety culture in your site.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. For me, sir, as a safety professional, so we need daily first hour in the morning. We should conduct, to create good communication or safety culture on site. We must conduct first the toolbox meeting, from the people to discuss everything, all the precautions, hazards, how they execute, or how they isolate the workplace, how they do the task. After the toolbox meeting, then we do conduct also the inspection, the work inspection with the power tools, the working environment. It should be complete along with them. So the people will they will adapt that kind of culture that they will ensure they will work safe from that daytime and until they finish their contract or the project. Then what else? For me, that's no, based on my experience, I will also tell how people how are them like they will complete all the documents that they needed. They submitted on time. Like then tell them how are they going? Is it fine? They are fine working. Are they enjoying their work or what? Then um, by the by the boosting their morale, sir. These people
Okay,
they
yeah,
can
it's okay.
yes, sir. Mm-mm.
So, do you know hierarchy of controls?
Yes, sir. The five types of the hierarchy of control, sir. With the elimination, substitution, um,
Yeah, yeah, it's okay.
engineering control, administrative control, then the PPA, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. So, more okay. Okay, I will ask about scaffolding. Can you tell me scaffolding components name from bottom to top?
Okay. I will just recall it, sir. As it's within 5 years. Then, okay. No, so from bottom to top, you must have the mud seals, the base plate, the transom, the standard, the what they call that one, the the mid rail, and then the toe board, the platform with the planks, sir. Then mid rail, then the top rail, then also they required for the what they call the one, the top bar, what they call this one? I forget the grab bar like that. For for entering, then the ladder and what else? Transom, the longitudinal the for the supports. Um, is
Yeah,
it, sir?
it's
I
okay.
will just recall this the other parts. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
it's you have to learn
Mm-mm.
about that. Okay. So,
Yes, sir. Also
okay,
the
okay.
along with the tag, sir.
Mm,
So the inspection
the
tag, it should be
okay, the
also.
last question.
Mm. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. What is the safety requirement for storing chemical at site?
Mm. Okay, sir. From storing from the chemical on site, it should be not directly stored from the ground. It has what they call that one, the cover or the deep tray. They must also they have that one, and it should be properly segregated, barricaded, signages along with the SDS, um,
MSDS,
fire
right?
precautions or yes, the safety precautions, some covers or temporary covers so that the chemical will not directly exposed from the sunlight. Um, then what is it? The other one. Then that then ensure that the place should be properly barricaded and posted some precautions signages that one is the temporary uh, chemical storage, sir. Is that okay, sir?
Yeah, it's okay. So yeah, thank you joining our interview, and
Yes, sir.
yeah, I will let you know your result to your supplier. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah. Have a
Okay.
good day, sir. Thank you.
You're
Yes,
welcome.
sir. Thank you. Again, that was, sir.
Yeah, you can leave. You can leave.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Okay.
Yeah, you're welcome. Hello. Can you unmute first? Can you unmute first? Hello. Can you unmute? I cannot hear you. It's still not. No. Hello. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello. Yes. Okay. So, can I call the next candidate?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Give me
One second.
just 1 minute, okay?
Hello.
इंटरव्यू करना है इसका भी हाँ बोलिए इसका भी इंटरव्यू करना है हाँ अच्छा 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 Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, okay, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
I'm Vincent Troy already, sir.
Vincent Roy.
Yeah, I'm Vincent Troy Honoridis.
Okay. So, can you introduce by yourself, please?
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Vincent Troy Honoridis, 44 years old. My previous company in Ma'aden, I work experience Ma'aden 3 years since 2011, 2021 to 2024. So then I work also experience in Aramco 4 or 5 years ago, maybe over 3 to 4 years.
So, okay, total how many years do you have experience in this field?
7 to 8 years both. and some construction also.
Yeah, okay. So, okay, as a safety officer, what is your responsibility at site?
As a safety officer, I must secure the workplace of the worker, monitor, um, uh, supervise, or find any need to repair, waiting for the enforce,
Mm-hmm.
secure the even the also the equipment or any properties that include only the workers,
Yeah,
also the environment.
it's okay. So, what is GSA?
This is a job safety analysis, sir. Job safety analysis is step dividing the activity for the rest and the preventive measures.
And what is risk assessment?
Risk assessment. Risk assessment is procedures designed to that's this one so designed to
Yeah, if you don't know anything, it's okay, no problem.
yeah,
If you do,
yeah. Okay.
yeah, if you don't recall it or remember it, it's okay, totally, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, because this is scientific interview, okay? You have two more interview, our client interview, EPCM Orly and Madin interview. So if you don't
See
know
you.
anything you can study, okay? This question, no
Yes.
issue, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So okay, move to the topic like lifting. So what do you know about lifting?
Lifting. For lifting activities, sir. Um, with a work permit system, make sure all the other drivers have a valid driver license. The rigger have certificate, um, certified rigger. And before the start with the lifting activities, make sure that the area is being secure, barricaded. No, only authorized person can enter the barricades, sir.
Okay, next question. What is critical lifting?
Vertical lifting mostly exceed of 75 or um two crane or vertical tandem. It's called critical lifting.
Okay, can you tell me the type of critical lifting? One, two, or three? Just to give me a example.
Um, tandem,
Mm-hmm.
um, um,
Okay,
unstable surface or soil.
okay, okay. Tell me what is a crane safety device?
Um, load limit indicators, sir, and wind speed meter or anemometer.
Okay,
There's one. Or the alarm, or we call some PWAS.
okay. Can you tell me what is the safety requirement for lifting activity?
For lifting activity requirements, lifting plan, load chart,
Mm-hmm.
permits. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, tell me how many. Okay, type of rigger. How many type of rigger?
Rigor 1, Rigor 2, and Rigor 3, sir. Rigor 3 is up to 10 tons, and
Mm-hmm.
Rigor 2 until 40 tons, Rigor 1 more than 40 tons.
Okay. Who will make lifting plan?
Rigor, sir.
Okay, which rigger? Rigger 1, rigger 2, or rigger 3?
Rigor 1, sir.
Okay, what is the information mentioned on the lifting plan?
I don't know, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, move to the next question about excavation. Okay, what is the safety requirement for excavation?
For exhibition permit system, um, make sure the excavation is more than 1.2 meter. It will be considered confined space. Um, Valid certificate for um equipment, driver certificate or license.
Okay, okay, the next question. Do you know about scaffolding components name? Can you tell me a
Um,
scaffolding components name from bottom to top?
Bottom to top. So plate, board plate, what vertical, ledger,
Okay,
transom, and guardrail to board.
okay, okay. The last question. So, what is the safety requirement for storing chemical at site?
Safety data sheet, sir. Make sure the SDS is um put in the chemical area, secure or and also
Okay.
is
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for joining our interview. I will let you know your result to your supply. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. You're welcome. Yeah. Next candidate.
Hello?
Yeah. Just give me 1 minute. Huh?
Okay.
So, what's your name?
Lord Giselle.
Can you repeat it again? Rodjoy?
Lord G.
Oh, Rodjoy. Okay. So, how are you today?
Yes, I'm fine, sir.
So, can you introduce by yourself, please?
Yeah, I'm Lord J. Corbera, and I have experience in here in Saudi Arabia almost 8 years as first company is safety in Ma'adin Rolling Mill project. Ma'adin Samsung Rolling Mill, I mean, in Ras Al Khair. And also in the past few years, my second company, it was environmental technician, sir, as a safety department also in different uh, plants here in Saudi Arabia, like SWCC, Aramco, Sabic, Marafik, Yansab,
Just
and
give
so
me one
on.
second. Okay, it's okay. Just give me 1 second. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead, please. So,
Yes, sir.
yeah, it's okay. So, as a safety officer, what is your responsibility at site?
My responsible inside is to conduct all work, since in my first company, my responsibility is to check the equipments like the dump truck, and because they have my project at that time, it was road paving, road preparation. So they conduct the first is the safety toolbox meeting, all the workers, uh, drivers, and also the checklist, the equipments, especially. So they are conducting that works, and uh, at the time also we check the in excavation area.
Yeah, it's okay.
Uh-huh.
So, so assume that you are going to workshop where cutting, grinding, and welding one going. So, what you will check during your
First
walkthrough
is of course,
and inspection?
yeah, first, oh, yeah, of course the permits,
Mm-hmm.
first the permit, yeah, the kinds of permit, for example, a tour permit. So we check also the equipments if there is inspected or not, or we notice that if they have noticed, we confiscate. Sometimes they are using the not good tools they're using. So also the cables, we check if it's good or not, the connection, and also the ground fault circuit.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, the next question.
Yes,
So, for hot work activity, we use power tools, right?
yes,
So, how will inspect the power tools? What you will check?
the equipment list, sir. I check first the equipment list
Mm-hmm.
or equipment inspection. If this is inspected. Second is if it is usable or not. Because some of the workers are, if this one is good, maybe not good. If it is working, we work like that. They didn't care the safety. So I check that. The first is the inspection list or the inspection tag. So it is inspected, sir.
Okay. Okay, what is the safety requirement for hot work activity?
Safety requirements. Of course, the permit, sir. Hot work permit.
Okay, anything else?
Inspection list.
Okay, what is a GSA?
Yeah, job safety analysis, sir.
And what is a risk assessment?
Yeah, they also include that one, sir, in the work permit.
So, what is the difference between GSA and risk assessment?
Yeah, the GSE is the analyze the risk of the worker and safe the worker, and the risk assessment to identify the hazard and 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 to control measure.
Okay, yeah, also both are control measure. But
Yes,
what
sir.
is the difference between them? Because it seems same. Risk assessment and GSA it
Yeah,
seems same, but there is a difference. That's why it's GSA. It's called GSA, and other one called risk assessment, right? Do you know what is the
yeah.
difference between them?
Uh, in my opinion, sir, in my experience, but I already in my point of my tongue, but I can't explain. But in my experience, in the GSE, they give insight that, for example, they give the insight to check the area, evaluate that risk, and
Yeah, it's okay.
and
Okay, do you
what
know
is it?
about lifting?
Yes, sir. Slide.
Okay, how many type of lifting?
Sorry, sir.
How many type of lifting? So,
You
okay,
mean the crane?
okay, mechanical lifting and manual handling, or
Yes, sir.
okay,
Mechanical and not
do
manual
okay,
lifting.
do you know critical lifting? What is critical lifting?
Uh, Critical lifting is dual lifting. That is we call that critical lifting.
Okay, can you tell me the type of rigor? How many type of rigor we have?
Rigor 1, 2, 3.
So, do you know what is the difference between them?
Rigor 1 is above 40 tons.
Mm-hmm.
Rigor 2 is below uh, 40 tons, and also the rigor 3.
Also, rigor 3 can
10,
lift below 40
10,
ton.
yes, yes, sir. 10 tons.
Okay. Do you know lifting plan? Have you heard about lifting plan?
Uh,
What is
yes,
it?
sir.
So, who will make
Uh,
lifting plan?
the rigor 1.
Okay, what are the information mentioned on lifting plan?
I apologize.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, no problem. So, do you know about excavation? Do you have experience? And
Yes, sir.
okay, okay. Tell me, what is the safety requirement for excavation? I mean,
Yes.
I mean, like your team, like your civil team, want to start excavation. So
Uh-huh.
how they can start excavation? What is the safety requirement?
Yeah.
What is the documentation?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The first is the permit, and the second is the coordinate to the in charge supervisor of that area that they have excavating it that in that place or that area. So for example, if this is mechanical or what they are used that excavation, um, if this is more on deep 1 meter, so they need to check if there is a line like the uh, energy or current line, live wire like that. I mean, so they need to check every in that in the area in charge supervisor. So the requirements of that the permit and the ex- and specific
Okay, how many type
specific
of
that
soil?
excavating. Uh, there is three
What
type:
are what are
type
they?
A,
Mm-hmm.
type B, type C.
Okay, can you tell me the slope angle of each type of soil?
So the A is 53 degrees,
Mm-hmm.
53 degrees, and the B is 45 degrees, and the C, uh, and the last is 34 degrees. Yeah,
Yeah, it's okay.
34. Okay, okay.
Okay, in your opinion, what is the main excavation hazard?
Sorry, sir.
Main excavation hazard.
Uh, in my experience, the main exhibition hazard is the uh, uh falling of people, falling of worker, or falling of animals like sir. So equipments like that.
So
So
to prevent this
we
hazard,
to prevent that
what is the
hazard to
precaution?
put in the warning sign and the barricade, hard barricade.
Okay, how far you will install the
From,
barricade from edge of the excavation?
from yeah, 1.2 meters,
1.2 meter?
1.2 or one is
Okay,
1.2 or 1.5.
1.5. Okay, why did you get this information? This is the OSHA standard? Is it OSHA standard?
Yeah, but I from OSHA, sir, but I forget how much the exact
Okay,
meter, but
okay. What is the distance you have to keep for spill soil as of the excavation?
yeah, 1.2 meters, sir, from the distance.
Yeah, it's 2 feet.
Outfit is
Oh, 2 feet.
1.2 feet.
Okay, just tell me about confined space entry requirement. What is the
Okay, sir.
safety requirement for entering confined space?
So so first the permit and standby man and checklist of the people or working. Also the STO is detector
Mm-hmm.
that must check that atmosphere inside.
Okay. Do you know HurryCap controls?
Sorry, sir.
Do you know HurryCap control?
Hierarchy of control.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think so, sir.
What are they? How many type of
Uh,
elimination?
there are elimination, the mechanical,
Mm-hmm.
mechanical.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh,
It's okay.
work.
Yeah. Last question. Can you tell me a scaffolding component's name from bottom to top?
uh, basement,
Mm-hmm.
basement, uh, toe board, toe board, horizontal feeders, that um, clamp,
Mm-hmm.
and what's this? Round bar, horizontal,
Okay. Okay. The last question.
vertical,
Do you know spatial scaffolding?
special scaffolding, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I think so.
What i- what is spatial scaffolding?
It is designed by engineering uh, works plan like that, sir. I,
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for joining our interview. I will let you know.
yes, sir.
I will let your supplier know what is your result. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah. You're welcome. You can leave.
Okay, sir. I will call the other guy.
Yeah. You can call them. Remaining how? Yeah. It's almost. Wow. What joy. What two guys. Hello.
Using this one?
Can you hear me?
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Can you pronounce your name, please, for me?
My name is Fidel Galion Junior,
Fidel.
sir.
Fidel. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir, Fidel.
So, are you okay?
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. So, can you introduce by yourself, please?
Okay, sir. My name is Fidel Galion. I'm already 39 years of age, and can I and I've been work for safety officer since 2014, and I work for different projects of Aramco,
Mm-hmm.
and for almost 8 years or 8 years, almost 8 years, sir, here in Saudi Arabia. And I'm a type of person that I can work with minimal supervision and handle also pressure, and can also to have a find small find safety issues concern also.
Okay. As a safety officer, what is
And
responsibility? Yeah, it's okay. Tell me about
Yeah.
your
Yes.
responsibility as safety officer.
Yes, sir. As a safety officer, the responsibility is a big responsibility that we're dealing with the safe of the people or the workers, not only for the workers, also the asset and the property of the company, sir. And duties is uh, to communicate the people regards the safety policy and also the basic rules on site to remind them how it is the work will be um, a safest way of work to be organizer conduct to conduct also told by conducting the toolbox talk, sir, or the pip talk, sir.
Okay, do you know what is GSA?
Yes, sir. Job safety analysis, sir, which is that is the specific work or activity that divided into steps, sir. That includes the
Okay,
basic steps.
okay, how many a step? Can you tell me?
Depends upon the specific activity. That I will be mention what is inside in the job safety analysis. We have also we can show the sheet which is the include the steps, the the identified hazards, and the counter measure of the hazard that has been identified, and also the what was the responsible person and what would be the the control measures, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. So, do
The,
you know
the
about critical lifting?
Yes, sir. Critical lifting is any load that exceed an 80% rated load of the crane, sir, that we can consider critical lifting. That would be done and prepared by the rigger one, sir, the certified rigger one, sir, and different types. We have also different types of uh, critical lifting, sir, that
What
we
are
can
they?
consider tan, tandem lifting, like that, sir,
Yeah, okay.
and and,
Okay, who will
and also
prepare
the
lifting?
lifting plan will be prepared by the rigger one, sir, certified rigger one.
Okay, so what about Riga 3?
Because, okay, sir. Okay, I will tell you what riggers, sir. Actually, we have three types of the rigger. We have rigger one, two, three.
Mm-hmm.
The rigger three only 10 tons he can handle. Rigger two is above not above 40 tons, sir. But in above 40 tons, it would be considered in rigger one, sir.
Okay, what is the safety requirement for lifting activity?
The common safety lifting activity, the first thing that we can be assured to get the lifting, sir, to be safe. We should know the crane is in good condition. Should be visible inspection sticker, third party inspection sticker, and the certified um, operators, crane operator,
Okay,
and also the lifting gears, the slims,
not a good answer.
the hook also, sir, and also the other um, indicator, sir, which is the anti-two block indicator, the
Okay,
the load moment indicator, and also the wind speed indicator, sir.
and also the most thing is the work permit, sir. Because actually that the requirements for that to get the work permit, sir. We should ensure all the crane is in good condition, and also the operators and the certified operators and rigger, sir.
Yeah, yeah, it's okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, what
And
is the safety requirement for excavation?
the an excavation, we have a lot of requirements for the excavation, sir, based on the scope of work that given by the client. Example, sir, and based on my experience in the Saudi Aramco projects, the first thing we can do for the excavation, we should have in the site with the hazard identification procedure, which is the HIP, and also the first thing to conduct the excavation is it should be done by it should be done with um what do you call this one is cable detection or underground utilities detection, sir. That I forgot what is that machine that can detect the underground utilities,
UPS, right?
sir. And yes, sir. And then um the the excavation plan also, sir, should be present on the site prior to get the work permit also, and also the certified work permit receivers should be there, and the competent person who will in charge for the excavation, and the pre-excavation checklist should be done by the site supervisor or the competent person.
Mm-hmm.
If yes, sir, because the pre-excavation checklist shall be signed by the proponent also, the approval to get the work permit, sir. That would be the attachment for the work to get the work permit, sir. And also an excavation, we should be ensure that the excavation not more than 1.2 meters, because it's another requirements for getting the permit, sir.
Yeah, it's okay.
And
Okay, can you tell
we
me?
need to know also the type of soil.
Yeah, it's okay. Can you tell me how many
Yes, sir.
type of soil we have?
We have a type of soil is three type of soil. The type A, B, C, sir, including the stable rock, sir.
Okay, what is the sloping angle for each type of soil?
The okay, sir. And the stable rock we can the angle with 90 degrees. Uh, and type A is three port is to one, if I'm not forget for that one, sir. And then the three port is to 1 meter, sir. And type B is 1:1, sir. That would be the 45 degrees, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And type C is 1.5 and one and a half meter. No, no, one and a half meter is to 1 meter, sir. Slope, sir.
Yeah, what did you say about type C? What is the sloping angle?
One is 1.5 to 1 meter, sir.
Mm,
Slope,
okay.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Move to the next topic, confined space. Okay, what is the safety requirement for entering confined space?
Okay, sir. And in confined space, prior to get the main what do you call this one is the main safety precaution for the confined space. We should have the gas tester, sir. to detect the atmospheric uh, toxic gases like toxic fumes like that, sir. The the presence of carbon monoxide, oxygen, also to check the low explosive limit, and also the other one is one I forgot the other one, sir. It's oxygen, carbon monoxide, H2S, and
LEL, right?
sir.
LEL, right?
Yeah, right, sir. The low explosive limit, sir.
Okay.
That,
So, yeah, it's a, do you know about scaffolding, work at height?
um, yes, sir, but not totally. What do you call this one? Not not really in my experience. Not most of the my experience in the scaffolding, sir. But I know the scaffolding, sir.
Okay, can you just tell me a few name from bottom to top, scaffolding components name?
Um, okay, sir. And from the bottom to top, we have from the bottom we have a sole plate, have base plate. We have also the also one. The post is the standard.
Mhm.
The longitudinal bracing, transverse bracing. The transoms. We have also the no, the this one is the mid rail and top rail, sir. Two board mid rail, top rail, sir. We have also the what do you call this one? This the opening, sir. This uh
Dropper.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
So can you tell me the
Drop
ladder,
bar,
ladder
ladder also,
sloping
sir.
angle?
The sloping of the ladder is the 1:4, sir.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's
We
okay.
need to have a 1 meter. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
what
From
is
the
the
top.
top rail height?
The top rail height is from the
Platform.
toward is 1 meter, sir. Platform, yeah. From the platform is 2 meters, sir. No, not 2 meter. 1 meter, sir.
Yeah, 95 to 105 centimeter. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Yes, sir. One
it's okay.
in
So,
middle is 50. So
do
like
you
that.
know do you know hierarchy of control?
Yes, sir. Hierarchy control, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. This one, we have five hierarchy control. We have elimination, substitution. We also engineering control, administrative, and the last control is the PPE, sir.
Okay.
That is
Do
the basic we are using in the site, sir,
okay.
to minimize
Do you know
the
chemical storing requirement?
and chemical storing requirements. Yes, sir. We have MSDS, sir. Material safety data sheet, sir. That should be present always in the storage area, sir.
Okay. What is safety requirement for hot work activity?
And hot work activities, sir, the safety requirements is should be the equipment should be have a inspection checklist, not only and also the inspection stickers, sir, should be calibrated, sir. That would be the third party that will be presented by the QC, sir, the QC department. And at work, we have also the in Aramco, sir, we should be present with the fire watcher, sir.
Okay.
The, and also the trained personnel. Example, the welder in welding activities, the welder should be Aramco certified, also, sir.
World,
and
what did
with
you
the
say?
presence of the QC.
What did you so World
Uh,
should be
uh,
Aramco certified?
yes, sir. And based on my experience, sir, in Aramco, the workers, the welders should be an Aramco, because the training they have done is should be in Aramco certified, sir. The training that they have and QC, that would be in the QC side, sir. They
Okay.
have certificates, sir, to
Okay. The last.
conduct. Yes, sir.
So how you will inspect power tools?
And power tools, sir, based on my experience again, sir, because we are using the grind, the common one power tools that I've been encountered is the grinder. It should be checked by it should be the have a rotating guard, sir, and check the if it is a GFCI also, and should be grounded also, sir. And we have also the checklist, sir. That would be inspected by the user, sir. And also, and the safety officer will be verified if it is safe to use or not, sir. Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for joining our interview, and I will let you know your result, your supply. Okay. You can
Thank you
call
very much, sir.
next candidate. One remaining, right?
Yes, sir. One remaining, that's Mr. Jude Drill.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir. Still jet lag. Still sleepy
Why?
because we came because we came around 2 a.m. in the morning, 2:15
Have you
from
had
Philippines.
Have you had your lunch? Oh no.
Yeah. Uh, already taken lunch morning time.
It was Filipino food or Indian food?
Indian food for today because we didn't cook. Not yet go to store for buy some food.
So, so do you like Indian food or not?
Yeah, like very much. I miss masala. For how many years I never eat. Now I eat again.
Yeah.
Chicken masala, mutton.
Okay. Also in India there are different food, South Indian food and North Indian food.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, yeah.
So
But
okay,
together with
we
to,
don't have much time. I have only 15 minutes. Okay.
yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. So I will just ask some basic questions and just take your
Yes, sir.
safety knowledge. Okay. So okay,
Yes, sir.
can you introduce by yourself?
My name is John Del Grado Macabinta, 46 years old. Have one wife and one child. I'm working previously in Daewoo, Daewoo Jisan, and Daewoo, Papua New Guinea. and also working here in SRB before in Saudi Daran. DR line, DR to Riyadh project.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what is the safety requirement for lifting activity?
The lifting requirements before prior to lift, you should barricade the area as per the requirements of the safety signages, and don't allow any unauthorized people or person going inside the barricaded area, especially during the lifting operation.
Okay. How about lifting plan?
The lifting plan is provided for the engineering department.
Who will prepare lifting plan?
The lifting supervisor or the rigger one also can provide the lifting plan.
Okay. How many type of rigger we have?
3.
What are they?
First, rigger 3 allowed only 10 tons below, and the second one is 20 tons below, and the third is 40 up.
Okay. How about we have 30 ton? So which rigger we
30
can?
ton. This one 20 to 40 is the rigger 2 to
Okay.
be exact.
Okay. 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 20 to 30 or 20 to 40 rigger 2, right?
20 to 40.
Okay. And 10 up to 10 ton is rigger 3, right?
Sorry, sir.
Up to 10 ton,
10
rigger
ton,
3. Yes, rigger 3, right?
rigger 3.
Okay, how about we have 15 ton load? Which rigger we can use?
2.
But you just mentioned that rigger 2 only responsible for 20 to 40.
No, na rigger 2,
Mm-hmm.
40 below. 40 below, and then the 40 up is rigger 3.
Can you repeat it, please?
Then 10 ton below, 10 ton below,
Mm-hmm.
rigger 3. The 40 below,
Mm-hmm.
rigger 2. Then rigger 3 is the 40 up.
A rigger 1 is above 40, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is critical lifting?
Critical lifting. This is special lifting for the during lifting time.
How many type of?
Example, critically. Example during zero vision for the rigger using by radio. This one also we also critical lift that one passing through the signal by radio.
Okay. Okay. Move to the next topic, excavations. What is the safety requirement for excavation?
Uh, in this excavation, we should identify the soil prior to start their activity, and then we should barricade the area and also the signages, and then the signages must be visible, especially in the roadside, so that those people they can see that there is an excavation in that area.
Yeah, it's okay. So how many type of soil we have?
3 type E, V, and C.
How about stable rock?
The stable rock is 3.
Including a stable rock, 3 type of soil.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me sloping angle of each type of soil?
Type angle 3/4 by 3/4 by 1,
Mhm.
1 by 1, and 2 by 1.
2 by 1 or for type C?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, just tell me what is the SOPE angle for soil type A?
3/4 by 1.
Okay, and B?
1 by 1.
Yeah, it's okay. So, okay, tell me what is the safety requirement for entering confined space?
The safety requirements of entering confined spaces, only those people allowed to have a trainings for confined space entry, for log in, log out, and do not allow, as a safety, will not allow those people going inside without any trainings of confined space. There is
Okay,
a standby man which is in the entry point. We're going to check all people we're going to enter the confined space.
okay, okay. The last question. So, can you tell me scaffolding component names from bottom to top?
First, base plate, sole plate, standard, bracing, uh, toe board, uh, toe board, mm, ledger, and mid rail, top rail, uh, drop bar,
Mm-hmm.
ladder,
Okay, what is the ladder angle?
45 degrees, sir.
Scaffolding ladder angle 45 degrees?
For 3 point contact, sir. We can do this one in 45.
Okay, do you know what is the height of top rail and mid rail from the platform?
Uh, from the platform, 50 for the mid rail, and then 1 meter for the top rail.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, thank you for joining our interview. Have a
Thank
good
you, sir.
day.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, hello.
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 Yeah. So we have finished our total 5 candidates.
Yeah, total five candidates, right?
Yes. Yes. Okay. So
You know, I think they have lack of knowledge about safety. So
okay.
you can contact Mr. Fry. They will send you some notes, and they have to read a lot because uh,
Okay. Actually,
they're afraid.
the Vinish will be coordinating with. This
Yeah,
is from Jubail office.
yeah, Vinesh, right?
So
I know Vinesh.
Vinish will be coordinating. Yes.
Mhm.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, no problem. Okay,
Okay.
so we can't
Okay.
end the meeting, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you
You're
for
welcome.